To start, you'll need a wooden mandrel, which you can buy online or turn yourself on the lathe. Going from about 25mm tapered down to 12mm. You'll also need some wide masking tape. Wrap the tape around the mandrel at least 2 full times. Then tear the end off in line with the start to make sure the mandrel stays perfectly round. Then repeat to cover the whole mandrel in tape. The tape serves a couple purposes. Firstly, it creates just enough friction to hold the ring blanks in place, and secondly, if you have any glue overspill, it sticks to the tape and not the mandrel, so it's still easy to remove. If the rings are too close together, just add more tape until you create the desired spacing. Attach the mandrel to the lathe and turn it on to check if the ring blanks are straight. If you see any of them wobbling, just tap them with a small wooden batten to straighten them. When they're all straight, you can cut them down to their desired width using some dividing calipers. Before doing any carving, I recommend firmly tapping them into position to secure them to the mandrel. This will ensure the rings don't move when you're working on them. I find this technique works best for me as I can batch out multiple rings at once, running through each step of the process, carving to shape, adding inlays, sanding, applying finish, and finally polishing. If you found this helpful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more tutorials and full ring making guides, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe.